Welcome back to another crypto video. Wow, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for jumping back into a video. We've got a webcam today and I don't really know whether I should be looking at my screen or looking over here in the corner, so I'm probably just gonna look at the screen and see what feels kind of natural. So Harmony One priced in at 19 cents, so it's up 10.4% on the 24-hour days time frame. So we've got a nice little pump there. It's looking pretty decent. And before we do jump into the price analysis and stuff, let's check out some of these tweets here. We can see just from a day ago, since its launch on the Harmony protocol, DeFi Kingdoms has become the top DeFi game on the Harmony chain and overall GameFi ecosystem. The monumental growth has been covered by DApp Radar, where it features unparalleled rise of the game. So it's pretty cool that they're getting involved with these pay-to-earn projects, which is of course a very big niche and also a hype at the same time. Another cool tweet we got here from Harmony One protocol: the total bridge assets on Horizon Bridge is closing in on 500 million. So Horizon is a trustless Ethereum Harmony bridge for cross-chain transactions. One can also use the cross-chain NFT bridge to easily mint and trade NFTs. So they're also dabbling in the NFT space, which is really quite crucial, that as many of these big projects tap into NFTs to really increase their overall exposure and, you know, their overall global reach, I suppose, to hit every single target audience. So before we hop into those charts, do smash the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below. Also, massive thank you to Mub, Peter Up, Kara, Jordan Barber. You are awesome patrons. If you do want to become a patron, you can find that down in the description below. Price of a coffee, which I have right in my hand here actually, so if I do sip on that any moment now, do be aware I'm going to sound like someone literally sucking on a soup bowl. So let's get on with it, shall we? Harmony One is looking, it reminds me of December. We had this big euphoric high and then we had a big drop, and that capitulation was 55%, and this particular correction has been 50% at the same time. And you could argue on the weekly time frame it looks like one huge double top, which is pretty bearish, but the amount of support we've got overwritten in at 0.16 is really tremendous and it's quite critical. You can see there right here all the support written along here at 0.1633, and also we have retested the resistance at 0.8 now, and we've flipped that back into support levels. So we're still very underextended on the daily time frame, so I'm waiting to see the pump to the upside. And it just looks very similar to this. This was a much harsher drop than the drop here. As you can see, this one happened literally in 15 days, whereas what's going on? Whereas this one here happened in, well, 47 days. So expect a quicker bounce, because the quicker the distribution, usually the quicker the reaccumulation. And I expect to see a nice pump to the upside soon. We're not really getting any volume, but you can see on the daily time frame that RSI is looking pretty sweet for an entry, you know. So maybe we can start looking at some of these Fibonacci extensions, some of the key resistance levels. We know that we've got a lot of resistance coming up. The first sort of levels, I think, you know, when we break through this 0.19, which we finally have, the next resistance will be that 0.21, and I think we'll be coming up to the next resistance at the 0.24 level right here. And if we hop onto the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had a nice little pokey double bottom right here, where we've bounced back up and we're not overbought on that RSI, so we're still looking pretty juicy, and we're finally back in that 20-day moving average. So this means that we might be seeing the beginning of an uptrend again, and I really do hope to see that. So slowly working our way up, and I think, you know, it looks a bit like a descending triangle, but we certainly have a lot of support, and I'm confident that we're probably going to see this 0.24 level, this resistance right here, probably going to approach it quite soon. If we go into that 1-hour time frame, again, it's just a lovely rally. Look at that. You're looking at a couple 12% rally right there, literally over the last few days. So that's really fantastic to see. Harmony very bullish on. I don't think we're going to lose this particular support level, and that's very important. It does look like a double top, but I think if Bitcoin and everything else can pick up along the way and get dragged up by some bullish news or the smart money or just something, we're going to see a nice swing to the upside of Harmony 1, I reckon 0.26. So that's about a wrap really of Harmony 1. I don't know what your thoughts and opinions are. If we go into the 15-minute time frame, maybe we can see something a bit different. But I'm really seeing a bit of a double bottom here. And if we do break to the upside, that's where we will see a nice pump to about 0.20. So it's on the way. It's definitely on the way. Lots of resistance here. And yeah, just keep your eyes on that 20 cents mark, because I think we're going to be there very soon, guys. If not, support is back down at 0.17, but I think it's unlikely that we're going to capitulate really hard again, because there's not much fear in the market like there was a week ago. So if you like the video, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks so much for the support. Become a patron if you want to have those exclusive benefits. You're going to get a free ebook, which is super good, by the way. You're going to also get some one-to-one messaging. You'll get some guidance on trades, and also access to the Discord channel. So make sure you subscribe and consider becoming a patron. See you in the next video, guys. Leave suggestions, and thanks for the support.